Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see three dots. Click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. Now hover over the option that says Extensions. From here, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page where you can see all the extensions installed in your browser. To disable an extension, find the one you want to turn off. You will see a small switch next to it. If it's blue, that means the extension is active. Click on the switch and it will turn gray. That means the extension is now disabled. If you want to remove the extension completely, click the Remove button. A confirmation message will pop up. Click Remove again, and the extension will be gone. Now let's say you want to re-enable a disabled extension. Just go back to the Extensions page and click the switch again. It will turn blue, and the extension will be active again. There is also another way to access your extensions quickly. Type Chrome/extensions into the address bar and press Enter. This will take you straight to the Extensions page. If you want to disable extensions temporarily for troubleshooting, you can use Incognito Mode. Most extensions are disabled by default in Incognito. To allow an extension in Incognito, click Details under the extension and toggle the option that says Allow in Incognito, and that's it. You now know how to disable, enable, and remove extensions in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.